A farmer carries 2 pots every day to bring water from the river. One pot is perfect. The other pot has a small crack. Every day, by the time the farmer reaches home, the cracked pot is only half full. The perfect pot feels proud, but the cracked pot feels ashamed. One day, the cracked pot says to the farmer, "I am sorry. Because of my crack, you get less water every day. I am useless." The farmer smiles and replies, "Look carefully at the path we walk every day. Flowers bloom only on your side, not on the side of the perfect pot. I knew about your crack, so I planted seeds along the way. You water them every day. And today, we have this beauty because of you." The cracked pot feels surprise. It never knew its weakness could become a gift. Moral of the story: our flaws and struggles can create unexpected beauty. Don't be ashamed of your weaknesses, turn them into your strength.